Here's how I make crustless pizza bowls. We are making a meat lover's version, so I start off by browning 1 pound of hot Italian sausage. Then I like using these pot pie sized bowls. I spray them with a little nonstick cooking spray and add a little bit of sauce in the bottom just so that the rest of my toppings don't stick. Then this is where you can get creative and add whatever you like. I do these little mini pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, some black olives, crushed red pepper, and I really like to add Flavor God's pizza seasoning. It just gives it an extra kick of pizza flavor and I really like it. Then I add the spicy sausage and some more of the no sugar added marinara sauce. Then I just mix it up and divide it between all of the bowls. Then I finish them off with a little more mozzarella cheese on top and a little extra pizza seasoning. Obviously it's all optional and these are totally customizable to your own tastes. Then I just pop these under the broiler until the cheese is bubbly and melted. We love making these for movie nights and parties.